Can biochemical pregnancies be considered a part of recurrent pregnancy loss? A faint second line, a moment of joy, and then nothing. No heartbeat, no ultrasound image, just a drop in the hormone levels, and hope lost once again. If you've ever experienced this, you know it was real, even if it didn't last long, and the sorrow that was real too. Today we are going to talk about a topic that's rarely discussed openly, yet affects countless couples trying to conceive. That is biochemical pregnancies, and whether they count in the medical understanding of recurrent pregnancy loss or RPL. This conversation is about validation, it's about clarity, and it's about hope. What exactly is a biochemical pregnancy? A biochemical pregnancy is one of the earliest forms of pregnancy loss. It happens when a fertilized egg implants just enough to produce human chorionic gonadotropin or HCG, the hormone that makes a pregnancy test positive. But the pregnancy doesn't progress far enough to be detected on ultrasound. For some, this loss happens before they even realize they were pregnant. For others, especially those closely tracking ovulation and testing early, it can be heartbreaking start-stop, a fleeting glimpse of what might have been. It often leaves couples feeling confused. Was this really a pregnancy? Should we count this a loss? Will anyone take it seriously? The answer is yes. And here's why. How doctors traditionally define recurrent pregnancy loss. Recurrent pregnancy loss, or RPL, is traditionally defined as 2 or more miscarriages, usually after confirmation through ultrasound or visible pregnancy symptoms. But this definition, though medically convenient, can sometimes exclude the reality of very early losses like biochemical pregnancies, which are just as real and impactful both physically and emotionally. At Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology, we approach things a little differently. We believe that every loss matters, regardless of when it happens. And increasingly, so does the wider reproductive medicine community. In fact, many clinicians and researchers now advocate including repeated biochemical pregnancies as a part of the definition of recurrent pregnancy loss. But what's happening in these very early losses is not accidental. It's often a sign that something in the body needs attention. So then what is the role of reproductive immunology in this? This brings us to a key factor that's gaining more and more recognition in early pregnancy loss: the immune system. Reproductive immunology is a branch of medicine that studies how the immune system influences pregnancy outcomes. Here's what we know. In a healthy pregnancy, the immune system plays a supportive role. It helps the embryo implant and protects it in the early days as the placenta forms. But in some individuals, immune cells may misinterpret the embryo as a threat. They may attack it, disrupt implantation, or cause inflammation in the uterus. And all of this can happen before the embryo even has a chance to grow. At our center, we specialize in identifying these immune system dysfunctions. We use advanced tests to assess immune markers, natural killer cells, lymphocyte cross-match, all of which could contribute to early pregnancy loss, including biochemical pregnancies. And most importantly, we treat them with the help of Immulate and immunomodulatory medications. We help the immune system recalibrate, not to fight, but to protect. Why is it important to count biochemical pregnancies as a part of the RPL picture? For several reasons. First is because they are a true pregnancy loss. The body recognized a pregnancy, the hormone levels changed, the biology was real. Second, because the prognosis after a biochemical pregnancy is very similar to that after a late miscarriage. Studies show that women who've had biochemical pregnancies are at an increased risk for further loss. The third, because early recognition allows doctors to begin investigation sooner. Why wait for 2 or 3 late miscarriages when meaningful patterns are already emerging? By including biochemical pregnancies in RPL definition, clinicians can act faster, offering testing, treatment, and support much earlier in the journey. And then there's the emotional side, which is often most overlooked. Each positive test sparks hope. Each loss, no matter how early, brings grief, confusion, sometimes guilt. When we ignore biochemical pregnancies, we risk dismissing that pain. But acknowledging these losses is a form of emotional validation. At Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology, we believe that healing starts with recognition. When patients feel heard, their emotional resilience improves. And when couples are emotionally supported, their chances of conceiving and carrying to term also improve. What can be done? If you've had repeated biochemical pregnancies, if you or someone you know have experienced 2 or more biochemical pregnancies, it's time to seek specialized care. Not just for blood tests and scans, but for a deeper understanding of what's going wrong at the earliest stages. Reproductive immunology gives us the tools to do that. With specialized investigations into immune compatibility, inflammation, and implantation failure, we can uncover the reasons behind repeated early losses. From there, we create personalized treatment plans tailored to your immune profile, hormonal needs, and reproductive history. The goal is not just conception. It's a healthy, sustained pregnancy that results in the baby you've been waiting for. So let me leave you with this. A biochemical pregnancy is a real pregnancy, a real loss, and it deserves real attention. Couples who face these losses often feel isolated, like their pain is invisible, because the pregnancy ended so soon. But the science is evolving, and so is the care. At Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology, we are leading the way in integrating immunology, compassion, and precise diagnostics to help couples move forward. Whether you've experienced a miscarriage, a biochemical pregnancy, or unexplained infertility, there is help. There are answers and there is hope. You are not alone and you deserve support at every step of the way. Contact Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology. Visit www.icprm.in or call us on +91 9833201522 to schedule a consultation. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And I would like to end by asking you to share this video to at least one person whom you think would benefit from hearing this. You never know. Knowingly or unknowingly, you may change one life forever. Thank you.